Have you guys ever need to deal with the hearing devices, or you know somebody that wears a hearing devices or hard of hearing but needs to set up their phone for certain customized settings so it can be more helpful? If that's you, then you found the right video. So let's get to it, how to set up your hearing devices as well as certain customized functions on iOS. In order to go to your accessibility, you need to go to your settings and accessibility. When you scroll down, you see hearing part. The first thing is hearing devices. One thing you gotta remember is the new devices you will see and have a Bluetooth settings. Once you recognize and pair your Bluetooth, it will connect it automatically. After that happen, if you want the quality to get better, you can activate a second one. When you activate it, it actually improves your audio quality much better. Second thing is hearing control center. You don't want to keep going back to the settings. So if you put all this on your control, first one is headphone accommodation. Second, background sounds. Third, live listen and a conversation boost. Third is my favorite. I actually have some clients who use this constantly on their phone, or you can actually set up it on your iWatch as well. If you wanted to know it, please leave a comment as well. You go to sound recognition and you activate it. And when you go to sounds, these are all the list of things that can hear it and warn you. So for your safety, you can turn on your fire, Siri, smoke, all of them on. And one of the things I do all the time is I used to have a dog, so I will turn it on. And even I might not able to hear my dog in the other room, my phone or watch will tell me like this. Ow, ow, ow. Sound recognition comes in and lets you know that dog is barking. Fourth thing a lot of people don't know, but it could be very helpful, is the fourth choice. RTT stands for real-time text. So what it does is ask your telephone company if it supports this. So if somebody might call you and you might not able to hear them, but you can read what they're saying it. So it will be in real-time text, will let you know on the screen what the person is saying it. Another thing that can helpful for you, same as the RTT, is live captions. So you go to live captions. When you FaceTiming somebody, it will automatically show the text on your screen. We talked about here control center. If you want to customize it more, you can go to your audio visual. There are other features you can actually play around it. Mono audio, power on and off sounds, headphone notifications. The one thing I would not forget is your LED flashlight for alert. It may be at night you can able to see your phone, but if something happens, it can flash and let you know there's something going on so it can catch your attention and then you can look into your phone. So don't forget this one. Today we talk about how to set up your hearing features on iOS. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. I hope you like this video and we'll see you next one.